my question is, since you're still under Tertiary Records, and
Yes.
under siya ng star, di ba, ng ABS, would it be possible for a Bini collab?
Charot. Hindi. Oo, pwede. Actually, kalampagin nyo din yung Bini eh. Lahat kinalampak na, no? Yeah, I would love to do something with them kasi they are really like avid and genuine fans of drag. And ang galing-galing nila, no? Ang sarap nakakita ng all-Filipino girl group. Iba talaga yung representation, no? Kapag nakita mo yung sarili mo. Hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko sa kanila kasi maganda nila din. Ang liliit ng mukha, di ba? Pero grabe, ang ganda makakita ng girl group or like P-pop group na talagang nire-represent